session this week?
Yes, on Monday.
Me too, at 7 p.m. It was very funny.
Hey, are you talking about the dual diploma?
Yes.
Would you mind me asking you some questions so that people know a bit about it? Yeah,
Yes.
okay. Thank you very much. So shall we start with Claudia? Can you tell us why you decided to join the program?
I decided to join the program because I felt like it will open more doors for the future, and it seemed like a great opportunity to gain two diplomas at the same time for the future.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. Maya, what do you think is the thing that you enjoy the most about the program?
So what I enjoy the most is the flexibility because I can work on my assignments when it suits me and I feel very independent. And I also love the projects because they are very, very, very creative and practical and they help me like understand real life situations and improve my English without even thinking about it.
Molt bé, parlant de... Suposo que més o menys s'ha anat entenent el que deien, però voldria remarcar molt el fet que a través d'aquest programa el, les seves competències a nivell lingüístic d'anglès creixen exponencialment, sobretot en el tema de l'expressió, no? Perquè heu de parlar amb persones d'Estats Units i heu d'escriure moltes tasques en aquesta llengua, estructurant bé un text. Per tant, crec que és un dels punts més forts d'aquest programa. Continuem. Julia, could you please tell me if you feel supported by the American teachers?
Absolutely. The American teachers are very friendly and they are always ready to help. Whenever I have a question, they answer very quickly and they explain things clearly so I can understand what to do in my assignments. Also, their feedback is very useful and helps me to improve my grades. And even though the program is online, I never feel alone because the teachers always supportive.
Oh, that's great. That's good news to me. And Claudia, what do you think, or which skills do you think you've gained through the program?
In my case, I've gained strong time management skills because I have to organize my own work, and also I've gained responsibility and independence.
Okay. And just final question, which I think is very interesting for the people who are watching this video. Would you recommend the program to other people?
So yes, I would definitely recommend the dual diploma program because it's a unique opportunity to improve your English, as I said, and gain confidence and also like learn like in a different way. And I think that my mates would agree that this requires effort, but it's really worth it to do it because you finish this program with two diplomas, new skills, and more global movement.
És fantàstic. Doncs, si veieu que això us pot interessar, el dia 13 d'abril a les 7 de la tarda farem una reunió informativa. Esperem, doncs,
We hope to see you there.